A sound wave travels through medium J, reaches a boundary, and then travels through medium K as shown. The thickness of each medium is L. The wave travels a distance q in the medium J and a distance y in medium K. The horizontal distance travelled in medium J is P. The horizontal distance travelled in medium K is x. The wave travels at speed v in medium J. The graph shows how the speed of the wave varies with time t as it travels distances q and y, and that the wave leaves medium K at t equals 2.75 milliseconds. What is the value of this ratio, x over p? So clearly this is a Snell's law question. So let's write n1 sine theta 1 equals n2 sine theta 2. But because we haven't been given refractive indices, and instead we've been given speeds, let's try and write this in the way we should. So c over v1 sine theta 1 equals c over v2 sine theta 2. So remember, the refractive index is defined as a ratio of the speed of light in a vacuum over the speed of light in that medium. And then sine theta 1 would be this angle to the normal. So sine theta 1 would be, so opposite is P and the hypotenuse is Q. So this would be, cancelling out C's, we get 1 over V1, sine theta 1 is P over Q. And this is equal to 1 over V2, and then sine theta 2. Well, what's opposite to this is x, and the hypotenuse is y, so this is x over y. So if we wanted to get x over p here, if I move this p down to here, I get x over p equals v2 over v1 times y over q. We can see here that v2, so the final velocity, I call that v2, and the initial velocity, v1, the ratio of v2 over v1 is a fifth because there's one block compared to 5 blocks. So this is 1 over 5. Y and q are distances travelled. So if we wanted to get those, we just need to find the area under each of these blocks. So from 0 to 2, because that's when it's been travelling at speed v1, and then it has a step change going down to v2 when it's in medium K. So we just need to work out the area of this block compared to the area of this block. So the first one is 2 times v1. So, y, so 2 times v1 would be on the bottom. And the top part would be the 2 to 2.75, so that's 0.75 times v2. And then we know v2 over v1 again is a fifth, so we have 1 over 5 times 0.75 over 2 times 1 over 5. So we can see 1 over 5 times 1 over 5 is 1 over 25. 0.75 divided by 25 is 0.03. 0.03 divided by 2 is 0.015. So which one of these could we use here? As you can see, using decimals is not really instructive, so this is why I always recommend using fractions. So it's better to write this as 3/4 over 2 times 1 over 25. And we can see here that 3/4 over 2 becomes 3 over 8, moving the 4 down, times 1 over 25. 25 times 8 is 200, so we have 3 over 200. So the answer is A, 3 over 200. So again, try not to use decimals where possible because fractions are the key here. If you look at the answers they're given in fractions, and most NSAA and ENGAA questions encourage the use of fractions rather than decimals. It's a better way to do a lot of problems when you need to do mental arithmetic because you can see cancellations and it's easier to do manipulations with these. I still, even at my age and after so many years of practicing these questions, decimals just don't bide well with me compared to fractions. So try to deal with things in fractions where possible, and it should make the problems a lot easier to deal with. So if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments.